Hello, this is Random Falcon. Hello, this is Random Falcon. We're reviewing Rolling Thunder for the NES. This is a game I rented when I was a kid, and I always liked it, even though it's actually fairly difficult. I always thought the hero in this game kind of looked like Maxwell Smart from Get Smart. I don't know if that was intentional or not, but anyway, you're an agent trying to fight against this evil organization. As you go through the stage, you get upgraded weapons and, of course, more bullets because you will run out of bullets. You gotta be really cautious in this game because it's really easy to die. And you can get upgraded weapons other than your pistol, but the upgraded weapons really aren't much better because it still takes multiple shots to kill some of the enemies. And since they can only get hit by one bullet at a time, a machine gun, you can get shit like that don't really have much value other than just being a little bit quicker. Now, this game has reasonable animations and graphics. See what I mean? You gotta pay attention, otherwise you'll get killed. This part is one of the hard parts of the game, is dealing with those. And you gotta get the timing just right to kill those assholes. But it is a good game. It's hard as hell, but it's a good game. The music is good in this game too. I don't know if I already mentioned that. But you saw how difficult it is. Well, I'm probably gonna die because I took a hit. I was trying to get the fucking tires. This game is definitely a challenge. But let's see if we can actually make it somewhere. That way this review will be longer. Not if I keep doing stupid shit, talking and running into enemies. That ain't good. Okay, that's all right again. Yeah, you get multiple continues and you're trying to, like I said, take down this evil organization and rescue your partner that was kidnapped. Yeah, keep your eye on the enemies, because one hit is all it takes to fuck everything up. Damn it! If that guy wouldn't have dropped down, I would have actually been able to fucking try to do something this time. This game is frustrating as hell, but I've always liked it for some reason. But I'm fucked. You pretty much have to have both hits on that part. Either that or I'm just fucking terrible at it now. Okay, let's try to get through this time. There we go, we did that better. You can't jump and shoot, that's a major problem. Especially on parts where the enemies come from above. There we go. We passed the first stage at least, so I can show you something a little bit different. And there's your girlfriend or agent friend that gets captured by these weird evil organization guys. Ah. Well, that was awful. Got hit by a fucking grenade immediately. That ain't good. Oh yeah. Well, we may not make it much farther. I don't know how many continues you have, but we're off to a very bad start on this game. Well, if you want a challenging side scroller, it is definitely one of those games that's worth playing, even though it's a hard challenge. Unfortunately, this game was actually an unlicensed game. Well, I'm gonna end this one here. I'm doing too bad on it. But yeah, Rolling Thunder for NES is a challenging ass game. Unfortunately, it was an unlicensed game, but yet still found it in video stores and shit when I was a kid to rent, so apparently it was one of the more well-known unlicensed games. But yeah, check it out. Decent music, decent graphics, challenging as hell gameplay. Anyway, if you like my videos, please subscribe. I wanted this video to be longer, but of course I was doing fucking awful as usual, so anyway, I'm gonna end this one here. Y'all have a good night.